Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials so you can act immediately. First, make sure your web server is actually installed and running. Use systemtool or task manager to confirm. Once done, open your host's file to ensure local host points to 127, 0, 0, 1 and that no extra entries conflict. Next, check your firewall or security app and permit the server port. Disabling it briefly helps isolate the issue. These initial checks eliminate configuration blockers and let you proceed to deeper fixes. Now you diagnose conflicts and configuration. Run netstat or ss to see which process binds the port. If another service occupies it, stop or reassign that process. Then inspect your server and application logs for explicit errors. These give the why behind failures. Make sure your server's listen directive is correct. Bind to 127, 0, 0, 1 for local-only access or 0, 0, 0, 0 if you need external connections. Finally, restart the server so new settings take effect. Finish by validating access and giving one troubleshooting tip. Use curl or wget to hit http://localhost and verify raw responses. This avoids browser caching and extensions. If DNS or host changes were made, flush your DNS cache and restart networking so mappings apply. When using HTTPS, confirm certificates are valid and key files have proper permissions. If unsure, test temporarily over HTTP to isolate TLS problems. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.